all here tonight, but we wouldn't be all here tonight if not for PEP.ph. So palakpakan natin ang PEP
na napakasosya.
Narinig ko ba kanina ay 50 million page views?
Grabe, 50 million? Parang kalahati na yata ng populasyon natin.
I would like to thank PEP for inviting us to be part of PEP List 2013. This year, our team was given the opportunity to independently tabulate and validate all the votes that came in from millions of readers and fans of PEP. Avid readers of PEP were given a chance to express their thoughts about who they think were the best in the local entertainment scene for 2013.
Thank you so much. Sa PEP List, Tita Joanne Maglibon, thank you so much. Sa lahat ng buong buo ng PEP List Award, maraming salamat po. And sa lahat ng mga Kimsey fans, sa buong Pilipinas, sa buong mundo, maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat ng suporta ninyo. Sobra kaming nagpapasalamat na nandyan kayo sa career namin, sa journey namin siya dito sa showbiz. So, thank you so much and I love you all.
Thank you to PEP, and of course, thank you to all the Pepsters and to the many Team Kramer fans and supporters. Thanks so much. God bless you guys.
Of course, to God be the glory.
Salamat po sa PEP, salamat din sa mga kapwa-photographers, sa lahat po ng artista hindi nagdadamot magpakuha. Salamat.
Good evening everyone, and on behalf of my ate, thank you very much. And you know, you guys talking about my family is not easy for us, but acknowledging an award is very important. It boosts our spirit to be whole again someday, one day, and for that, thank you very much on behalf of my ate. Thank you.